super easy and super amazing features of the turtle graphics, which is this programming. So let's get started. So first, the import turtle, the most important function of the program. Import turtle means that we start the program. And the second one, which is s is equal to turtle.turtle, which is also very important, without which your program wouldn't work. And the third one is speed, which can be put anything you want. I have put in a random number. You can put it 10, 100 or anything, something like that. Okay, and the fourth one, which is colors. Colors are varied in the world. You can put any color you want. That is red, orange, blue, green, brown, pink, violet and many more. Turtle.pg color is white. But what does that mean? Turtle.pg color means the background color of the turtle screen, which should be kept white. We can change it as black, but I don't want to change it, so I will not change it. And for I in range 405, which is the most important function to give an order. For I in range 405. But what does that mean? For I in range 405 means it is a loop. Loop, what does it mean? Loop means it's repeated again and again. So this is the number of the loop, which means it should be repeated 405 times, and the comments which are given down should be repeated 405 times. So let's see the comments. S.pen color colors I modulus 7. So what does that mean? Means the colors of the turtle, which is I modulus 7, which means there are 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And every time it moves some degree, it should change the color. And then S.forward I. But what does that mean? S.forward I means I is 405. So S.forward means it moves 405 pixels ahead. And then S.right 240. S.right 240 means that it goes first 450 pixels and then it turns right 240 degrees. And that's repeated again and again for 405 times. And then ending, which is turtle.done. Turtle.done. This is the last step. You can skip it even if you want. So let's see what would happen if we do like this. Wow, what an amazing magic. It's going triangle and triangle, and you can see it's also changing the colors. As mentioned, I have mentioned 7 colors. See, red, orange, green, blue. That's all.